today's video is a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. I think it's perfect for prom if you're looking for a more colorful look. I had a lot of friends who wore like purple or even white or like a neutral colored dress and did their purple eyeshadow like this. Well, not exactly like this, but I just think it looks really, really pretty, and I think it's a really nice glam look for prom. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. Today's notification shout out goes to Luz Rosas. Thank you so much for having your notifications on. You're always super supportive and I'm so grateful for that. If you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is turn on my notifications and comment hashtag notification squad in the comment of any video and you'll get one eventually. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So I've already got my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into the eyes. We are up close and personal. I feel like I say this in every tutorial. Today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I love this palette. I think it has every perfect color you could ever need for prom. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is this purple shade right here, and that's going to go in the crease, and I'm just going to pack on this color and blend it out with a fluffy blending brush. The next color I'm going to take is this one right here. It's called Monte Carlo, and it's like a light pink shade, and I think it's going to be perfect to diffuse the purple into like our transition shade. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here just to diffuse the pink I just put down and like make it blend a little easier. I'm gonna take a cotton swab and just kind of clean up the lid so it's a little easier to cut and the color doesn't like cut through. Now I'm just gonna take it on a very small brush . So sometimes when you look up, it does get way past where it should. So you gotta be really careful. And I'm gonna have to fix that in a second. I'm just gonna wing this out. Now I'm gonna take the shade Seaside, which is this one right here. That's gonna be the all over lid shade. Now we're definitely gonna have to fix some stuff after we take off the tape. Let's see. Oh, not bad. Definitely want to make sure you're using a great primer that's gonna keep your foundation in place all day and not make it look cakey and make it look really good. A really good one is the J.One Red Jelly Pack, but I like to combine this one with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. I kind of put them both everywhere and I layer it, and I think that that's the best application for me. Honestly, it literally makes my foundation look so good. For foundation, you definitely want to choose your favorite foundation of all time. Obviously, the foundation that looks best on you. My favorite at the moment is the Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour foundation. Whoa. But this is such a great drugstore foundation. It's one of my favorites in general. Like, it's just so good. It's amazing that it's a drugstore foundation, like, honestly. The same thing with concealer. My holy grail is the Tarte Shape Tape. You definitely want to highlight the center of your face, including your nose, your forehead, right above your lips, and right under. So you definitely want to bake under the eyes just to make sure that the concealer stays in place throughout the night. And you want a loose setting powder that doesn't cause flashback. And the Tarte Shape Tape loose setting powder is definitely a great one for that. It goes well with the Shape Tape concealer. I love it so much, and it doesn't cause flashback, and it just helps smooth everything out under the eyes and set your concealer in place so it doesn't budge all night. So I'm just gonna press this under the eye, like so. I really don't like to bake for too long, so I'm just gonna sweep it off like right after I apply it pretty much. But it just does help a lot to keep your concealer in all day. So now I'm just going to take the same colors on the lower lash line. So starting with the purple and then blending out the pinks. Now I'm just going to put on some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. I've got my lashes on. I can't tell you where they're from, but again, I should give you another hint. I'm really excited about them though. I love these. They're so pretty. So now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is the Jouer Light to Medium Duo Bronzer thingy. I'm going to go ahead and mix them both together. So because that's a very warm tone, I want to go in with a little bit more of a cool tone bronzer, and this is the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, one of my favorites, and it's a lot more cool tone, so it's perfect for contouring. I am going to take just a little bit of powder underneath just to clean up the contour. For highlight, I'm first going to go in with the Patrick Ta Major Glow Highlighting Mist. This just adds a really beautiful shine to the cheekbones and makes it look really nice. But I am going to go ahead and go in with the Colourpop Supershock Cheek highlighter in the shade Fire. I think this is Kathleen Light's collab. For blush, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Love Song Everlasting Face Shape for blush. That's a long name, sorry. I haven't used this blush in so long, but I think it's super pretty and it'll go really nicely with the eyes. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit. This is super pigmented. Now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty. This is the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Palette, and I'm just going to take a tiny bit of the purple shade in here, and that's going to go like right here too. You don't want to go too crazy with this because it is actually purple, and if you're pale like me, it's going to show up. Well, I think any skin tone will show up, but if you like purple highlight, go for it. I just like to mix the two. I think it'll look really nice. I am going to take that highlighter, the same highlighter, and put it in the inner corner of my eye. I am putting a glitter on top though. I do want to add a glitter because it's a special day and you definitely want like something to pop besides, you know, having all this color obviously. This is the MermaidScales Pearl Glitter, and that's going to go in the inner corner. First I'm going to take the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Glue and just apply that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the glitter and just start laying it down. I do want to put some white eyeliner in my waterline, so I'm just taking a bit of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and putting it in my waterline. This is the longest lasting, why did I say it like that? This is the longest lasting white eyeliner ever. For lips, I definitely recommend you take whatever lipstick you like really love. My favorite lipstick of all time is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin. It's definitely my perfect nude, and I think it goes really well with this look. And of course, you want to set your makeup, your face with some setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, my absolute favorite. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
We'll be right back.